Today we're going to turn this baby alive into Maleficent. So let's get started. First, we're going to cut off most of her hair. We don't have to cut off all of her hair, but we're going to get most of it. Like that. We don't need all of her hair off because it's going to be under a hood, so it doesn't really matter, but we needed to take off a lot of that bulk. Now we're going to paint her face and hands green. After many coats of paint, it's finally ready to start painting on Maleficent's face. We'll paint on Maleficent's beautiful red nails. Now all that's left is to put her in Maleficent's dress, like that. Then we'll add the headpiece. There we go. And for the horns, we have these costume horns, but I think these might be just a little bit too big as they are. So I'm gonna cut them down and then we're gonna glue them on. So we're gonna cut these down to about right here, I think. Hollow inside, so it wasn't hard to cut. And then we'll just make the other one the same size. Now we'll glue these on. There we go. Oh my goodness, she looks so cool. Look at her little Maleficent face and those green eyes. She has her nail polish on. And she even has horns. This was a successful Baby Alive transformation. That's all for now. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.